Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. Welcome back to another video. By now, most Tesla Model 3 owners know that when they take off their Aero Wheel cover, you're left with some pretty decent rims underneath. But there's a problem. That's this donut hole here is very unsightly. Because of the unsightly donut hole, many people will use one of these. This you can get from the Tesla online store, from Amazon. It's just a wheel cap. But let's face it, this is kind of boring and everyone has one. What if there was something better? As you might imagine, I get a lot of Tesla products sent to me to review. Now, I'll only maybe do a video on 1 in 5 products because I have to like the product, and preferably the product needs to be unique. This right here is a product from a company called Custom Aero Wheels, and this is their Aero Wheel Cap Kit that they've sent me for review. And I think it's a very unique product, especially when everyone has those little tiny wheel caps that fit in from the Tesla store or Amazon or whatever. This is different. You'll either love it or hate it. I guess we'll find out in the comments below. It could be a little polarizing, but the manufacturer says it's built to be sleek, and I kind of agree. So let's get this installed. The installation is a breeze, but I want to show you something before we actually install this. If you're like me and you already have a wheel cap that you purchased from the Tesla online store or wherever, you got to get this off. And I'm going to show you a little trick with a suction cup, and it'll just pull right off. Let's get started. The trick is that you need to get a good seal. Once you have a good seal, you can just pull the cap off. Comes right off. Very easy. Do not use a screwdriver or anything like that. You will damage your wheel cap. Do it like this with a suction cup. You can get these off of Amazon for dirt cheap if you don't have one. So to install this, it's going to install pretty much like any other wheel cap that you would buy from Amazon or from Tesla, you know, the small ones that I just showed you how to remove. You're basically going to put it over the hole. Make sure that it is over the hole before you pound it in, because you don't want to break the piece that's inside here. So let's do this. Okay, I've got it lined up right against the hole. And I just pounded it a little bit in. So there it is installed. I kind of think it looks different. I like it. I like different, you know? There's no need to do the same thing that everybody does. That's what I like about this product. So I'm going to install the rest of them, and then we're going to take a view around the car. I'm going to go for a drive. I'm going to mount a GoPro. Let's see how these things look out there in the wild. In conclusion, I think that the Aero Wheel Cap Kit from Custom Aero Wheels, I think they look pretty dope. That's my opinion on it. If you agree and you'd like to get this product, just hit the description below, and there's a link there where you can go and purchase this product. Thank you for watching this video. As always, hit that subscribe button. Tesla Canuck. Over now.